Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess who's cooking today? Obviously, it wasn't me. So my husband's going to do the cooking today. He's going to make a baked tilapia fillet with Brussels sprouts. So there you go. He's cutting the Brussels sprout maybe half an inch slice and putting it into the bowl. Now he's going to prepare his secret ingredients so that the tilapia and Brussels sprout taste yummy. We need 1 cup of olive oil, 5 cloves garlic, you have to cut it in pieces, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And we have to use the hand mixer to mix all the ingredients. And half of the ingredients, we're going to pour it over Brussels sprouts. I smell the aroma of the oregano and the garlic with this olive oil. And we have to save half of the ingredients so that we can put it also in the tilapia fillet. So we have to mix the Brussels sprout, coated all the ingredients that we put, and put it in the baking dish and set aside. And we have to brush the remaining ingredients onto the tilapia fillet. Both sides has to be brushed with this yummy ingredients. Oh my, I can't wait to eat this fish. While he's preparing the Brussels sprout and the fish, I will preheat the oven for 375 degrees. Fish are going in the middle rack and the Brussels sprout are on top of the fish, like the first rack. And we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we have to transfer the tilapia fillet on top of the Brussels sprout, and we have to put it back again in the oven for another 10 minutes. There you go. Here's the tilapia fillet with Brussels sprout. It's yummy. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you for watching.